Football season is heating up. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to quickly generate epic fan posters just like this. I'll be sharing all the prompts right here in the video. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. First, open up ChatGPT on your phone or computer. Click the plus icon next to the text box and upload a clear photo of your face. Next, copy and paste the custom team prompt I've put together for you. Finally, hit send and wait for your masterpiece to generate. Time to witness the magic. Just look at this quality. Not only are the facial features blended perfectly, but even the realistic wrinkles on the jersey and that epic stadium vibe in the background are absolutely spot on. All the prompts are in the description below the video, so go try them out right away. If you encounter any issues during the process, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tenorshare, where we guide you through mastering the most cutting-edge AI visual creation. See you next time.